What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am going to be unboxing the Focal Sub, the Sub1000F in black. So they do offer a full lineup with one of the more premium ones because I feel bass is so important to a system coming together. Nice, tight, hard-hitting bass really gives you the cinematics you need in a dedicated theater space or even in a living room like 5.1. If you guys don't know, we are now a direct dealer with Focal and we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. I'm going to be coming out with a bunch of videos for you guys highlighting some of what I feel is going to be very popular in-wall speakers. I went with the 300 series on this first order and reviewed all of those and opened them up and kind of talk about it. And then we're going to be doing some installation videos down the road. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing it. Let's get into it. All right, like I said, guys, this is the 1000F. Interesting name. What it actually is a 12-inch sealed sub. I checked out the frequency response on this bad boy prior to starting this video, and it actually hits down to 24 hertz. So it's a banger for a sealed box. Let's open it up and see what this guy looks like. One of the reasons that I wanted to go direct with Focal is because I feel that relationships are really important in business, and I not only believe in this product because they have hand-built speakers with less than a 1% fail rate. Everything is hand-built and tested by a human being. But also, with that said, I want to point out to you guys that you want to purchase from an authorized reseller. Buying from somebody that authorized guarantees that you get a warranty with it in case something does go wrong. And we are a direct dealer, so you will get the full manufacturer warranty on this product. All right. Whew, this thing's got some weight. It's gonna be kind of tough for me to pull it out of here. Might have to put this on the ground. My pool table is getting some work today. Probably not good for it, but whatever. I do it for you, YouTube. Check it out. Not a bad looking sub. It's pretty interesting. They did a matte finish on the back and a gloss finish on the front. All right, this is the front of the unit with the grill off, and you can see they do have the flex woofer on here. The reason that I chose this sub to unbox as an introduction to Focal is because we did the 300 series architectural speakers, which all have those flex woofers as well. And then this guy has a 1000-watt bash amplifier in it. So that's how they're able to get the crossover down to 24 hertz. It's a banger. Go ahead and put this grill back on. Show you guys the rest of it. Not a whole lot to see on the sides here. Just gonna flip it around to the back. Okay. The spirit of sound. So you got your power. You'll probably just leave it on auto. You got your volume and your crossover. Pretty simple. You got your phase, 0, 180. Left, right, LFE. Most of you guys that follow our channel do home theater, so you'll probably be using the LFE input. You got your power here, and then the power cord. And then they got the bash amp in there. Pretty sweet. Okay guys, well, that does conclude the unboxing of the Focal 1000F. This is a 12-inch sub, 1000-watt amp. It's going to be a perfect companion piece to put into really any home theater system. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this product or anything else Focal, we do offer the full lineup as well as many other home theater brands and everything you need to get your theater set up, whether it's amplifiers or processors, or you need wire, projector, screen. We got you covered. One-stop shop. We don't just sell equipment, we like to tailor packages specifically to our customers' needs. We do guarantee the lowest price on all the products we sell with nationwide free shipping. Low price guarantee. Really appreciate your support, guys. If you aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.